Hey, Non-Techies. This is Jess from Non-Techie Entrepreneur. Today we will be going over Square invoices. All links and chapters will be listed in the description below. If you are looking for more videos on the Square platform, check out the playlist located on the card above. Square invoices can be used for a range of different businesses. You are able to send invoices from desktop or mobile. You get notifications for paid and viewed invoices, and it's free to start. There is a free paid plan for invoicing, which is Invoicing Plus, and it gives you multi-package estimates. You can auto-convert accepted estimates to invoices, create milestone-based payment schedules, create and reuse invoice templates, add custom fields to your invoices, organize project files into folders, track open and completed products. So it gives you a lot more advanced features for using the paid plan, but you can get started and run your business with the free plan if you're not looking for all of those additional features. With the free plan, you can send unlimited invoices, estimates, and contracts. You have unlimited users, which are employees, unlimited customers. You can access it anywhere. You can send invoices, estimates, and contracts via email, SMS, or by sharing a link, and there is no time restraints on accepting payments. Processing rates are standard across both plans with a 2.9% plus 30 cents for online card payments. And then any card that you key in, which means you put the number into the system instead of tapping a card, is 2.6% plus 10 cents. So to view invoices from your Square dashboard, once you're logged in, you can go to payments and invoicing. Invoices opens up your dashboard. You can view, if you have multiple locations, the different locations that are available here for your business. If you have one location, then you will not see a drop down for here. You only see the name of your business here. To the right, we have quick links for sending an invoice, an estimate, or a contract. We have our activity for tasks that are here or feed. So if you receive an invoice, if an invoice is accepted, canceled, failed, if there's reminders, or if an invoice has been reviewed, you will see that activity here. Your invoice estimate and pending approved outstanding invoices will all be listed here. So you can always see how much is currently in the pipeline. If you click view, it will take you to that menu for you to review all of the invoices you have outstanding or currently paid. So this is your invoices dash view. Underneath overview is projects. Projects is set for the plus members of invoices. So you're able to create projects for your customers, do estimates, invoices, notes, add in any files for your customers. There's a 30-day free trial that you can do, and this will be your dashboard for your projects. You can toggle down for complete or active projects. You can do the timeline for your projects so you can view active ones or ones that have closed, and you can look by location. To create a new project, you will first put in a name, the date that the project is set to start, and if you have an end date, then click Save. From here, that project dashboard opens up and you're able to attach files, any existing estimates, contracts, invoices, reoccurring series invoices, attach files, add notes, and even add in tasks for this particular test project. Your attachments will be shown here, your files will be shown there, and Right on your right-hand side, you can edit the project name, edit start and end dates, mark the project as complete. So that is the management of the projects. This is still in beta, so it is currently a new feature that is in Square and that they will be working on to bring you the best possible experience. As the projects update, I will send out new videos to show how to utilize this for those Plus members. Underneath projects, we have invoices. For invoices, you see if you do the free trial for the Invoices Plus, you will have a countdown of the days left for your free trial. All invoices will be listed by location here. To create an invoice, you can click Create Invoice and the invoice editor opens up. You can select which location if you are using multi locations. Add in a customer's name. If it is an existing customer in your directory, you can add it by typing the first letter, a couple of letters to populate. You can give your invoice a title, an ID, a message, a date of service, a frequency if it is a one-time or recurring. If it's a recurring, it will give you the schedule for you when it starts and how often it repeats. If you have an end date, you can put that, when each invoice is due for the recurring schedule, and if you allow automatic payments. For one time, it will ask you when to send it and when it's due. You'll be able to add in line items, which comes from your item library and your service library. If you have a variable item, you'll be able to put in the cost of it. And for your items that are already have a set amount, that will be entered in as soon as you add the item. You can customize it by adding in notes, and you can create a new item on the fly. If you want to remove a product from the line items, then you could just click the X here and it will remove it. If you would like to give this customer a discount, you can search for existing discounts or set new. You can name it whatever you want and then put in your discount and amount and add. It will tell you what the discount name is, what it is for, and the actual total discount there. You can add multiple discounts to an invoice. Then you have your subtotal, your tax. If you wanted to add a service charge, such as delivery, then you can add that here and it will be added to your total. If you wanted to allow for your customer to add a deposit to an invoice, you'll click Add Payment Schedule. Request initial deposit and select a percentage or an amount. The first one would be the deposit, and you'll be able to set when it's due and how many reminders that need to be sent for this. And the balance of the deposit will automatically populate here, and you can set your due date and your payment reminders. Once you click save, you'll see the deposit and the balance here. And when your customer goes to review this, they will be able to see what is due today and what the balance is. If you do a payment schedule where you request a deposit, you cannot do a ACH bank transfer. They do not support partial payments at this time, but you can use a credit or debit card and a gift card. You can add tipping to an invoice by allowing the customer to tip here, and you can allow your customer to save their card on file. You can send it via email, text message if the phone number is connected to the customer, or manually, which will give you a link to send to your customer. It won't be automatically sent because it is a manual link. If you need a shipping request, you can click here and it will request a shipping address from your customer. You can attach a Square contract here, add attachment, and then your custom field that falls under your Plus plan this is where they show. For Square contracts, you can create templates in the contract area to send with your clients invoicing. So now that I have this one, I will recreate it and it will give me the link for the invoice. Next is the reoccurring series. Any of the invoices that are made with the recurring series will be listed here. Next is estimates. To create an estimate is similar to the invoicing. You put in your customer name, the title, ID, any message. You can attach a Square contract and add an attachment. And then you add the payment details, including the line items. And then you can preview and send. Once it is completed, you'll be able to send it by email or manually set it for it to be sent immediately or later and when it expires. For Plus members, you can automatically convert this estimate to an invoice once the customer accepts, and it will show up in your estimate window. Next in invoices is reports. Once you send invoices and you start to have payments come in, this is where the reports for those will show. It will show how the amount that you're receiving in your invoicing in the last 30 days. It will show any outstanding for you to stay on top of. Next is settings. For invoice settings, you can configure templates for your invoices. To edit the invoice, you'll click edit here and you can add in a title, a message, a default time that the invoices show, any items, payment gateways that you want to show each time. If you like them to add a tip, save a card, request shipping address, and you'll save that template. So every time you create a template, it will be made with those settings of your Square invoice. So you don't have to worry about going in and putting in that message each time. As long as you set it in your template, it will come across. For invoice and branding, that is all located in your account and settings. If you wanted to do inventory management, stock will have to be turned on in your items. For team management, you will have to do it in the permissions to give your team members access to this. You can also show a referral banner on invoice and estimate receipts, where if that customer activates a Square account using your link, then you get free processing. For Invoice Plus management, current and previous subscriptions, bills, that is all in your account and settings. For estimates, you'll be able to add in a title, message, delivery method, send time, and when it expires. This will be across every estimate that you send, and you can change it when you're creating a new estimate. Last is notifications. Based on the type, so we have invoices. These are the notifications that you will receive for your invoices. Some are set to where you can't change how you receive them, and others you can customize how you want to receive them. So if you have the Invoice app, you will get a push notification, which would be a banner that is on your phone or in the notifications of your phone settings that a customer viewed it. You'll get email notifications for sent invoices, updated invoices, canceled, and any reminders that are sent. Same with estimates. You can toggle on and toggle off the ones you want and the ones you don't want. And you can do it for each location. You'll be able to change to see which ones you get per location. So that is Square invoicing. If this video was helpful, please take a second and give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.